students in Tripura. And the dedication of the staff, the achievements of the students, and the vibrant culture of the school are truly commendable. And standing here today, well, it takes me back to my own school days. It was different then, very different from what I see today. A bouquet of flowers that you have given us, I'm really, really impressed. And like each pattern, each embroidered thread, they're so beautiful. And I know that this is a symbol of hard work, imagination, and the joys of creating something with your own hands. And I'm telling you, children, these are not just crafts that you have created. They're life lessons for you, and they teach you focus, patience, and the satisfaction of creating something on your own. And in fact, this is exactly what the National Education Policy envision, learning that is experiential, skill-based, and joyful.
Now discuss on that factor how the emotional intelligence of our student would be more strengthened. They should know how to behave with themselves as well as their parents, their society itself. हमारा जो अपना कल्चर है वो शायद बाहर की दुनिया के जो पैरामीटर्स हैं, जो यार्डस्टिक्स हैं, उसके हिसाब से ठीक नहीं हो सकता है. आज की डेट में जनरल पीपल के परसेप्शन में, but our culture is the supreme because it was there for the last many years till this information revolution take place. We are there for the last 5,000 years, and this mobile culture or people from outside have just come 50 or 60 years back. So we need to understand that our culture is more supreme and it is more ingrained in our blood and in our genetics.
Please do the things not just looking as an individual but look as a society as a whole. If any of you are, let us say, consuming something which is not good for you and give happiness, please see, if everybody in the society moves like this, then what will happen to the whole society? This is the ethos of our Indian culture, this is the ethos of our society. That please do only those things that is useful for you and the society and the nation as a whole.